Hello once again. Today I'll be working on my juniper. It's been a while since I do anything with this juniper, so today I will do the pruning and shaping and wiring of this tree. I did some guy wiring just to form the branches, and I let it grow for a while, and I think today I will be pruning and wiring all the tree. So I will start with the cleanup. I will be removing most of the foliage that we're not gonna need. It's not easy. The needles of this tree is kind of sharp and hard, so it hurt my fingers. As I finish one branch, I will do the wiring next. That will be easier for me to do. And here is the first branch. I think it's okay. I have the big wires on the big branch and the small one on the smaller branches. And then we go on to the second branch. As you can see, I'm cutting all those lower needles. We don't need those. We have to open it up so we can wire it easily. The needles of this juniper are not the best to shape, unlike those other junipers that are commonly used to bonsai. They are more compact and beautiful. But hopefully after the wiring, the growth will be more beautiful and more fuller and dense. So far it's looking good. I wired most of the branches, and later on I'm gonna shape it and form the pads. And now we will go ahead and do the top. The top or the apex is so thick and full, so I think I'm gonna have a hard time to work on this. And now I'm wearing my gloves because, like I said earlier, the needles of this juniper is so hard and sharp, and it really hurts my hands. I reduced the top of about 50%, and I just cut the long and leggy branches. Well, for now I think the reduction of the apex is good enough. I'm not gonna do any wiring for now, maybe later. And now I'll go to the trunk. I will be cleaning it and remove all the scales of the barks. I use a steel brush to work on this one, and it's very helpful. The cherry of this tree, or the deadwood, is natural. I did do this when I found the tree. It has already the deadwood. And now I'm applying lime sulfur. This will make the deadwood or the cherry more cleaner and whiter the next day. Oh, by the way, I borrowed my neighbor's toothbrush. Just kidding. And now I'm just brushing it with water. It's just plain water, just to clean. So here it is. I think it looks much better than before. I tried to fix the pads to make it more compact and neat and orderly, but I can't. So I think this kind of juniper is really like this. So hopefully when it becomes fuller, I can do that. And now it's back on the bench and it looks great. I hope you like it. Thank you.